Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create backgrounds in CSS. Backgrounds make websites visually attractive. We can use solid colors to create cool effects. First we have the background color. We started with a simple one, the background color. It allows us to change the background of an element or even the whole page. Example, background color, light blue. You can apply it to any tag like body, div, header, etc. Second, we have the background image. Now let's talk about background image. We can use image from our URL or from our own project folder. Example, background image, column, URL, in parentheses, in this case, Volkswagen logo.png. It will be the name of your file. In background side, put cover or 100% with 100%. First, we have the gradients. We can use gradients for a more modern look. Example, background, liner dash gradient, in parentheses, red and yellow. It's only an example, you can use the color that you want. And it's better if you use hex code, because in the real code we're going to use more complex colors. Well, this blends two or more colors smoothly, this code. So we're going to run this example and try changing the background on a section to an image and then replace it with a gradient. So now you know how to make awesome backgrounds using CSS. Up next, we'll explore how to use Google Fonts to add beautiful typography. See you there!